I wonder if there's more event tunes out there.
It's better together.
Maybe they're coming out next year.
Making it perfect is easier than it sounds. Time for teamwork, everyone gather around. The ways to put a smile on each face. So let's spread the magic all over the place. Lollipops, gumdrops, and loads of candy canes. Twinkling toy shops and other dandy things. The bells are ringing, everyone's singing. A tune that fills the room with holidays swinging. It's on its way, so put your head in the game, and we'll make the perfect Christmas just you Hey Rudy, how's your duties?
It's hard to wrap gifts with hooves.
Oh, it's okay, how's Ginger's baking?
It don't taste that good.
Well, Shirley Cole must have hit her goal.
You gave a job to the Rock?
Now don't get it twisted, I'm glad for your assistance. Go take a well-earned break and I'll do my best to fix this. Trust me.
Okay, just let us know if you need anything.
Okay. What was I thinking? I can't fix this Christmas quick enough. All that's just too much for one little tune. No one else can help me move along. They do it wrong. It takes too long for me to redo. Guess it's time for multitasking. A perfect Christmas is all I'm asking. I've done it before. I'll do it again. They will adore this Christmas when I wrap the presents, bake all the treats, decorate everything, and cook up a feast, and finally put the star on top of the tree.
Corruption out! I can't see!
Everything's perfect, it's blurry, but I'm proud. It's like a commercial, everyone's gathered round, but there's no trace of smiles on their faces. They're staring with looks I can't place. It's strange, a change has left my head in such pain.